If love was death, I would be very happy to die with you. If you were a killer, I'll be very glad to be killed by you, because the love I have for you is too much. With your eyes, you cannot feel my love. With your nose, you cannot smell my love. With your ears, you cannot hear my love. But with your head on my chest, you can hear my heart beating for you as a symbol of love. Losing you will be like losing life itself. Having you is like having God Himself. You are so precious in my life, more than gold itself. You are the most valuable thing in my life. They say no one is perfect, but in my life you are more than perfect. They say love is blind, but I say life has sight. Others say it will end in tears, but I say it will end in marriage. Others say death will do them apart, but I say we love each other for eternity.